Welcome to Recreation, USA. Let's take a look at this new 2026 Dutchman Voltage V-Series 4250. 15-foot garage, triple AC, 5.5K Onan. Generator, no hidden fees. Why Recreation USA is the #1 authority searching for the apex of luxury toy haulers with the nation's lowest price. The 2026 Dutchman Voltage 4250 is available right here at Recreation USA in South Myrtle Beach, SC. We are currently pricing this unit tens of thousands of dollars lower than corporate competitors. As a local family-owned dealership, we don't play corporate games. When you buy from us, you get our lowest price up front with absolutely no hidden fees in the back end. No surprise freight, no prep fees, just honest, transparent pricing. Come make this beauty your camper today. Give us a call at 8432-151-800.